Hello, welcome to this video where I will solve Inspect HTML challenge, which is part of picoCTF Web Exploitation category. And difficulty for this challenge is easy. To access the challenge, click on this button, Launch Instance. And in the challenge description, we can see it is mentioned, can you get the flag? And challenge name is Inspect HTML. So by the name, we can understand we need to use this inspect feature. So first, we can copy the challenge link. We can open this link in the browser. We can ignore this warning. So here we can see this is one static page. There is no input field. And in the challenge name, it was mentioned inspect HTML. So what we can do, we can just right click and go to inspect. So in the elements section, we can see flag value is revealed. Also, we can just right click here and go to view page source. Here also we can notice this flag value is revealed. Same thing we can get in Bob suit as well. Like in Bob suit, if we will check the response, we can notice flag value is revealed. So we will just copy this flag. So this is very easy challenge. We can just review the inspect code and or go to view page source to find out the flag value. Also, we can check the hint once. So in the hint also it is mentioned what is the web inspector in the browser. So using inspect, we can solve this challenge. So provide the flag value and click on the submit flag button. Challenge solved. Thank you.